Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of e-commerce and a powerful tools called Google Merchant Center. Whether you are a seasoned online seller or just starting out, Merchant Center can be a game changer for getting your product in front of more potential customers. What is Google Merchant Center? Imagine a central hub where you can upload all your product information, including descriptions, pictures, and prices. That's essentially what Google Merchant Center is. It's a free tools that help online retailers like you showcase their product across various Google platforms, most importantly, Google Shopping. Why use Google Merchant Center? Here, why Merchant Center should be an e-commerce radar. Increase visibility. By feeding your product data into Merchant Center, you significantly increase your chance of appearing in the Google Shopping searches. This means more eyeball on your product. Reach the right audience. Merchant Center allow you to target your listing to specific demographics and interest. This ensure you are reaching potential customers actively searching for what you sell. Free organic listing. While Merchant Center offer paid advertising options, you can also showcase your product for free though organic listing on Google Shopping. Data tracking and insight. Merchant Center provide a valuable data and insight on how your listing are performing. You can track clicks, impression and conversion to optimize your product information and marketing strategy. By utilizing Google Merchant Center effectively, you can significantly increase your online store visibility, attract more qualified leads, ultimately boost your sales. So, what you are waiting for? Sign up for Google Merchant Center today and take your e-commerce business to the next level. Thank you for your time to joining this class. If you enjoyed this class, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify store design, Shopify SEO, Shopify marketing or Google Merchant Center, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.